Hi, thanks for joining us today. Today we're going to take a look at restoring a backed up program from an SD card. Here's an SD card that has a backup on it of a register. We're going to restore it to this register. The instructions you're about to watch work for the Samsung or SAM4s SPS-300, SPS-340, SPS-345. In the video we made earlier, we talked about the requirements of the SD card and the store name and things like that. I'm assuming you've watched that since you are restoring from a card. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take the printer cover off. We're going to access the SD card port, which again I've already removed the screw, but if it's the first time, you'll notice there's a screw there, a Phillips head screw, so you'll need to remove that. Then you can open up this tab. Then we're going to take the SD card that has our program on it, and we're going to insert it contacts towards the printer, label towards the display. Press it down until it stops. It clicks. It'll click into place. You'll feel it. If you have a lot of resistance, you obviously have it backwards, so flip it around and try it again. Don't force it. Close the door. We'll just leave this open for now. It really doesn't matter. We went over this in the previous video. You have to have the C key. C for control. This is the control key. It goes to secret positions on the mode lock. The secret position we need is in the 6 o'clock position. It's known in the industry as the service mode or the S mode. If you look at the screen here, it says service mode. Now, to access SD card operations, it's on the second page. You'll notice it's not on this menu. Whenever you see a down arrow, that means there's more pages below it. So I'm going to press the page down, and there, number 9 is SD card operations. We're going to press number 9, and we are going to program load. It's program backup when you make it. If you're trying to put it in a machine, it's going to be program load, which is number 2. So we're going to press 2. The register is going to start by printing a little bit, and then it's going to print some rapid fire. Then it's done. Tear it off, take a look, and it passed. Okay, so everything passed. That's what you're looking for. If you had an error, maybe it's the store name. We talked about it in the first video. The store name of this machine is Store A. That does have to be programmed manually in the target register. Otherwise, your backup will not go into it. It's very easy to do. We'll cover it really quickly. We're going to go back up to Program. We're going to go to System Options, which is number 3. It's on page 18. See, we're on page 1 of System Options. So we're going to just use the page down to quickly get to page 18. See where we're at. It's catching up with us. And I went a little too far, so as soon as it's done, I'll page back up. Well, I guess we could have just gone backwards as well from page 1. So there's page 18. The store name is right here. See where you see Store A? That has to be an exact duplicate of what the backup was. You can go down to that by entering cache. Once you're there, you can change the name if it doesn't happen to match. You will need to know what it is. You can't find out from the SD card. And we're back up to register. This register has been cloned, or it's been backed up. Easy to do. Any questions? Let us know. Thank you.